Good morning. Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are able to see also, I think.
No.
Yesterday onwards, I am facing problem with Zoom. If it disconnects in between also, remember it will reopen again. So you need to wait till that time. It is done. We will be discussing them in this chapter. There are totally 5 techniques of analyzing the financial statements. One is comparative statement, next is common size statement, then ratio analysis, then trend analysis, then cash flow statement. So there are totally 5 ways in which you can analyze financial statements. Okay, then you already know what is the meaning of financial statements. The meaning of financial statement is they are the end reports of an organization which are prepared to ascertain the profitability and position of the business. Okay, so now question comes, sir, how the problem should be solved? Remember, the problem should be solved as we used to do in the previous chapter. That is, again, there will be preparation of preparation of income statement and position statement, or you can call them as profit and loss account and balance sheet. That will be definitely there. Okay, so with that, what will be that? That is the question. So that is, you need to put few columns to analyze the financial statements, especially in case of statements. That is, number 1, common size, number 2, comparative, and number 3 is trend analysis. So first, I request all of you to note down the techniques of analyzing financial statements. This can be a 2 marks question. Techniques of analyzing financial statements. Okay. Number 1. Comparative statement.
Metals and a material.
Comparative statement. This comparative statement is also called as horizontal analysis. Then, next, number 2.
About a poor man.
Common size statement. Second one is common size statement. Number 3 is trend analysis. Trend analysis. Number 4. Number 4. You are able to hear me,
Yes, sir.
students?
Yes.
You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are the 5 techniques of financial statement analysis. Remember, these 2 will be 1 and 2. We will be discussing under the chapter 9, and this will be discussed under 10, and this will be discussed under chapter 11. Trend syllabus. And remember, trend analysis is not there for your subject, not there for your syllabus. So trend analysis के problems आपको solve नहीं करने हैं या format में आपको याद रखना है, because it is not part. Okay, so syllabus में इसको include नहीं किया गया है, काफी easy statement था ये, right? So now, first you write comparative statement. Let me explain all the statements once. See, for example, I will tell you the original apple, Kashmiri apple, and apple has a lot of difference. So, in order to do the comparison, what you require is you need same standards. So that's why when same standards of 2 companies or 2 different standards of same companies are compared, to understand the increase or decrease in them, then we prepare comparative statement. Okay, first is in Barcode Real Modula. You note down all the 5. Done? All of you noted? बताइए
Yes, sir.
सब लोगों ने नोट किया है? ओके,
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट इज, देखिए कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट को हॉरिजॉन्टल भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि जो एनालिसिस होता है वो हॉरिजॉन्टली होता है, और जो कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट होता है वो वर्टिकल होता है. वो आपको पता चलेगा why it is called as why it is called as vertical, because the calculation procedure will be up and down. That's why it is called as vertical. And when it is side by side, it is called as comparative, and that happens with the first technique. Now, how it is done? Let us have a glance that how the comparative and common size statements are prepared. Remember, for all these problems, you will get 2 years balance sheet, compulsory. Example, the problem says that plant 2019, 2020. For example, in 2019, it is 80,000. And in 2020, it is 1 lakh. Machinery. Now, this is the information which is available for you, which says that they have given details of two assets during the year 2019 and 2020. First case, plant in the 2019 was 80,000 and 2020 it was 1 lakh. Now the question arises whether this is a increase or decrease. Now 80 did 1 lakh agide, it has increased. So you have to write plus 20,000. 90 did 80 adaga, there is a decrease of 10,000. Right? So profit of 20,000, increase of 20,000 and decrease of 10,000. Now, next is this 20,000 should be divided by first column, that is 2019. So this will come to 25.00. Yada divide by increase decrease should be divided by original price. Original price was 80. Here it is 90. 90 has become 80. It is clearly showing that there is a reduction of 10,000. So we need to take proper steps to improvise that. Next is, if you like to ask anything, you can ask.
No, sir.
Now, next is, can somebody do 10,000 divided by 90,000 into 100?
Eleven point
11.11.
11.11.
11.11. 11.11. Next. So this is how we do with comparative statement. Okay. So today we will solve one problem on comparative statement, which will let you know what exactly the comparative statement is. For that reason, come to the list of problems. Okay, let's start. Now, come to problem number 2, because problem number 1 is bit easy. From the following information, prepare comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31/3/2016 and 17 of Raju Company Limited. So first it is revenue from operation, other income, then employee benefit expenses is there, cost of materials consumed, financial cost, depreciation, other expenses, income tax. If you see, all the items have been directly given. So in this case, what we have to do is, first you put a heading. Heading in the books of Sanghvi Company Limited. Sanghvi Company Limited. Okay. Then next you write balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. Now, like that, you draw 4 amount columns. Even the amount column on the right side, you need to draw 4 amount columns. One will be, what is the date? 31/3/2016, and one more is 31/3/2017. All of you should take care. Remember which date? For the first. Henry? Very good. So start, Manamre. First you write Roman 1. Have you drawn 4 columns on the right side? At most right of your page. Agedri? Now, first you write Roman 1. Revenue from operations. Roman 1. Revenue from operations. You please name the columns. Otherwise, there will be a lot of difficulty in understanding. Heading you write comparative balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. Four amount columns. One is 31/3/17. Another also 31/3/2017. And this is rupees, and here also 31/3/2000. Wait, 17. 16 then. 31/3/2018. Just check whether the year end is 13 or 14. Which one is the year end? Oh. It is 16 and 17. 16, 17, 16, 17. First. first. Revenue from operations.
Sir,
8 lakh. Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell
Sir,
me.
is it balance sheet or P&L account?
Oh, sorry.
So they said to prepare
I-
profit and loss account. Sir.
Oh, it is income statement. Sorry. Just a minute. I will change it. I will write here comparative income statement. Income statement. Okay. Now, first Roman 1, revenue from operations. 8 lakh, 9 lakh. It is better first you finish this statement and then fill up remaining columns. Otherwise, there will be a lot of delay. So calculator work we will do it later. Roman 2. Is there any other income? Whether other income is given in the problem?
Yes, sir.
Just check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been 20,000.
So it is
Sir.
20,000, 40,000. So total
Yes, sir.
is 8 lakh 20,000, 9 lakh 40,000.
40,000.
So this becomes total revenue. So that is total revenue Roman 3. Now next is Roman 4.
Expenses.
Expenses. And in that expenses, first we have employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses 1 lakh, 1,20,000. 1 lakh and 1,20,000. Next is cost of materials consumed. Cost of materials consumed. The amount is 4 lakh, 5 lakh. 4 lakh, 5 lakh. Next is financial cost. Financial cost. 30,000, 20,000. 30,000, 20,000. Next is depreciation and amortization. Depreciation and amortization 70,000. 70,000. Next is other expenses. Other expenses. $30,000. Now, next is total expenses. total expenses. Can somebody take the total and let me know what is the total? Five lakh 30, 6 lakh. I think 6 lakh 20,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka 6 lakh 20,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the next one is 7 lakh 20, 7 lakh
7
50, 8 lakh 10,
40,000. 740.
140, sir.
8
40,000.
7 lakh 40.
Okay. 7 lakh 40.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exactly, बराबर है? Okay. Next is whether they have given tax expenses in the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Income tax. Yes, sir.
That means we have to next write Roman 5. That is profit before tax. I will write all the items once because बार बार यहाँ लिखने प्रॉब्लम होता है. Roman 6 is tax expenses and Roman 7 is profit after tax and tax expenses is 30%. Okay. Now देखिए profit before tax will be Roman 3 minus Roman 4 and profit after tax will be Roman 5 minus Roman 6 and this total revenue is Roman 1 plus Roman 2. Okay, so first 8 lakh 20 minus 6 lakh 20 will be 2 lakhs and 30% of that will be 60,000 and profit after first the difference between Roman 1 total that is 8 lakh 20,000 minus 6 lakh 20,000 will be 2 lakh and tax expenses is 60,000 because 2 lakhs 30% will be 60,000. You can calculate and ascertain. The next profit after tax will be 2 lakh minus 60,000, that will be 1 lakh 40,000. The same values will be for 2017 also because values will be same because 9 lakh 40 minus 7 lakh 40 will be 2 lakh. And again 2 lakhs 30% will be 60,000 and next it is 1 lakh 40,000. होप यहाँ तक तो सबको समझ में आया होगा क्योंकि ये सब वही है जिसको हमने 6 मार्क्स के प्रॉब्लम में सॉल्व किया था. सही है? ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वाला थोड़ा केयरफुली देखिए. रिमेंबर इट इज सेकेंड कॉलम माइनस फर्स्ट कॉलम. आपको याद रखना है. It is second column minus first column. I will tell you how to do it. See, 9 lakh minus 8 lakh. Remember, और एक बात बता रहा हूँ. 9 lakh minus 8 lakh. That will give us. That's it only. That will give us 1 lakh. Okay. Now, can somebody give me what is 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh? Now, 1 lakh should be divided by 8 lakh. मैं थोड़ा इसको कॉलम के नंबर्स थोड़ा नाम थोड़ा चेंज कर देता हूँ. थोड़ा देखिए मतलब आपको बाद में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं उसको ऐसे चेंज कर रहा हूं. Okay. The columns should be named as, the third column should be named as increase, decrease, rupees. Increase, decrease, rupees. And the next column should be named as increase, decrease, percentage. Increase, decrease, rupees, and increase, decrease, percentage. Now, anyone, 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh.
0.125.
0.125. 5.
200. 11.25.
12.5. 12.5, sir.
12.5.
You should write 12.50. Only 2 decimals. Okay. Next is 20,000. पहले first 40,000 minus 20,000. याद रखिए. Column 2 minus column 1. That will be 20,000. And when you divide 20,000 by 20,000, you percentage book on ma'am. by 20,000, you press the percentage button. बस हो गया. Next, 8,20,000 है और ये क्या है 9,40,000. 9,40,000 minus 8,20,000 करेंगे तो we will get 1,20,000. You don't do addition. Addition आपको नहीं करना है. You just take the difference. Everywhere same procedure should be followed. Column 2 minus column 1. So can somebody check what is 1,20,000 divided by 8,20,000? 1,20,000 divided by 8,20,000.
14.63.
14.63. Very good.
3.
14.63. Next is employee benefit expenses. First it was 1,20,000. Now it is 1 lakh. That means difference there is an increase of 20,000. And now this 20,000 should be divided by 1 lakh. The percentage will be 20.00. You should remember. 20.00 percentage निकालना है, याद रखिए. Next is first it was 4 lakh. Now it is 5 lakh. Means there is an increase of 1 lakh. And 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh will be 25%. 25.00. You can check. 1 lakh divided by 4 lakh will be same. Next. Here little different. 20,000 minus 30,000. There is minus 10,000. We call it as negative amount. Okay. And remember, negative amount should not be written as minus. They should be put in bracket. When you put an amount in the bracket, it means that it is a negative amount. And now 10,000 should be divided by 30,000. It gives us 33.33. That also should be in bracket because it is a negative change. Next, depreciation and amortization. Both are 70,000. Hence, there will be no difference. You can put a dash and dash, which means that no increase, no decrease. Hence, it will be 0. Next, 30,000 minus 20,000. It will be 10,000. And when you divide it by 20,000, it gives you 50%. So you have to write 50.00. 50.00. Clear? Now, next is 7,40,000 minus 6,20,000. So it will be 1,20,000. Now divide this 1,20,000 by 6,20,000 and ascertain the percentage. कितना होगा थोड़ा बताइए, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, मैं नहीं कर सकता इसलिए.
19.35.
Very good. 19.35. ओके. लास्ट में आपका काम बचाने के लिए क्या किया गया है, सारे वैल्यूज सेम आए हैं, तो सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है, डैश 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 करके रख देना है, क्योंकि 2 लाख माइनस 2 लाख विल बी 0 एंड 0 को आप किसी से भी डिवाइड करो, दैट गोइंग टू रिमेन एज 0 ओनली. तो ये रहा आपका सॉल्यूशन, जिसके लिए आपको मिलेंगे 12 मार्क्स. याद रखिए, दिस प्रॉब्लम इज फॉर 12 मार्क्स इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. बहुत टफ है ना?
No, sir.
टफ है ये, इजी है?
Easy. Easy, sir.
Easy, sir.
वो तो
Easy, sir.
फॉर्मेट तो आपको ऑलरेडी आता है. तो ये डिफिकल्ट लगता है तो मैं आपको बोलता रहता हूँ, याद है, घर जाते वक्त एक बड़ा सा रस्सी लेके जाओ बोल के. अब तो घर से निकलते भी नहीं तो रस्सी भी नहीं ले सकते आप लोग.
Hello.